these athletes. So they're the 7 that have got a time at the moment. Nora's there as well. Marcello Beda of Italy, next paddler on the course.
The Italian K1 men have such a strong tradition in this sport. Several Olympic medals have come to them over the years. Daniela Momenti, Paolo Ferrazzi.
And of course, the reigning champion, Giovanni Di Gennaro. Ferrazzi's son competing here. These titles. They're all tight, aren't they? When you look at those splits for the past 5 or 6 paddlers, there's such little margin. You've got to be fast and safe down the bottom end of this course. Dixon and Adachi had clean runs. So did Pope, Smirnov, Rora, Tanaka, and Desnos. Kozlov, who's third fastest, had a 2-second penalty with just the 1 touch. The rest of them have been pretty good. So Beda, here he comes. 90.54, 12th place.